Hello! So you might have seen a little sneaky peek of what I was doing yesterday, because I posted a bore scope picture on my Instagram, the VWMechanic_official, and I might have even posted it on TikTok as well. So we've got the 2-litre diesel engine, and I've got the inlet manifold off, as you can see. Now the inlet manifold on this engine in particular, now there could be others out there, but we're talking about this one, is actually a water-cooled inlet manifold intercooler. Yeah, so I've got it blanked off because I've got it out. We don't want it dropping into them nice squeaky clean valves, do we? So I've blanked it. We'll leave all this as it is, and I'm going to show you why. So you'll have seen the bore scope picture yesterday, but let's talk through it. So the car's been using coolant. There's been no external leaks, there's been no pink fuzziness anywhere. Radiator's good, we pressure tested it. Externally, spot on, no dramas, right? So you've only got a few items. It's either going external or internal. It's not external, so we have a look. We start off boxing stuff off. There's a couple of items on the circuit I checked first. One of them being the charge inlet cooler, and one of them being the EGR cooler. Now I went straight to the charge inlet cooler, and that's where the bore scope picture come from yesterday. So let's have a look. I've got her off, and it only needs to be on the deck because this is never getting refitted. Now I'm going to get, because I've got the torch, wherever I put that, that's it. Right, let's give the torch. Let's tip it up. Right, these are inlet coolers, as well as your inlet manifold. Yeah, so it's all water cooled. But in there, guys, you can see it all on the fins. All that lovely coolant that's been steam cleaning them valves for however long this has been leaking, so it's failed internally. And what's happened is all that coolant that the customer's thinking, fucking hell, I've got a water pump leak or something daft like that. No, it's been going straight into the engine, straight out the arse end, and giving it all internals a little bit of a clean while it's at it. That's not actually a good thing. It is that it's clean, it's not a good thing you got coolant going through your engine. So there's your water pipes, your throttle, or your shoulder valve, all fits to this. So I've got a nice shiny new one. It's on my toolbox. So I'm going to get to fit in that, but there you go guys, just something to look out at. This is a 2-litre diesel, and it's a 19 plate Golf, this one, so 2-litre diesel. You might find this on the 160s as well. It comes with a new switch also. Everything's going to be ticking through. There, I'm going to get that fitted now, guys. And yeah, another car fix. So if yours is using coolant, get a borescope. Check this out. This is only a 16mm, by the way. Just spin that out, borescope in there, and you can see right on the back of the fins, you've got some pink residue or full-blown coolant. Yeah, she's fucked. So see you in the next one, guys. Love you, bye.